Welcome to ASA School, where we believe that every child has the potential to achieve greatness. Our school is dedicated to providing a well-rounded education that prepares students for success in all aspects of life. At ASA School, we have a diverse student body from all walks of life, and we celebrate the unique qualities and strengths of each individual. Our dedicated teachers work tirelessly to create an inclusive and supportive learning environment where every student can thrive. One thing that sets ASA School apart is our focus on personalized learning. We recognize that every student learns differently, and we strive to cater to each student's individual needs and learning style. Whether through small group sessions or one-on-one tutoring, we aim to help every student reach their full potential.
Hello teacher, hello everyone. My name is
ASA School has been an incredible experience for me. I've had the chance to learn from amazing teachers, make new friends, and discover new interests. I feel well prepared for whatever the future holds, thanks to the skills and knowledge I've gained here.
I am 4 years old. I study English at American Studies.
ASA School is more than just a place to learn. It's a community. We value collaboration, respect, and empathy, and we believe that these values are essential for success, both in school and in life. Thank you for watching this video about ASA School. If you're interested in learning more or applying to become part of our community, please visit or contact us directly. We look forward to hearing from you.